Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a quick look on this app that allows you to record both sizes. So this is going to be with an iPhone, and I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm also using my DJI mic right here. The iPhone is connected to the DJI, obviously, transmitter and all that. Really easy setup, but as you can see, I'm at a park right here. And again, one of the easiest ways with this app called Double Take, I believe. I think I paid for it. I got it for a long time, but it's such a cool thing that you can do that I wanted to show it to you guys. Okay, so let me start showing you some of the things that you can do. So essentially, you see me here on the right, and now you see whatever I'm doing or walking to on the front. So again, very, very simple. You could be recording both sizes. And the cool thing about it is that you could record it in one file, but you also can record it in multiple different files. So later on post, you could kind of like edit that. So it's going to be your choice. Do you want to have it in two different files so you could edit, or do you just want to have one video that is going to show both things like that? So again, this is going to be like a really cool setup, because again, you can see me here, people driving by probably thinking that I'm crazy because I'm talking to some of you guys, and again, you can see some of the park as well. All right, this one is going to be picture in picture, and again, you only seeing me right now, but easily I could click right here, and now I could show you what is in front of me. So I kind of like this one. Essentially, if you're doing a walk, maybe you're doing, I don't know, you're at a park or something with your children, and you kind of want to show yourself walking, but you also want to show some of the things in the park and all that. I mean, this one is definitely a cool one. Again, you could give your audience or your video that you're making a lot more information. You can see me really nicely right there. And then you can see some of the footage in front of me.
So in this scene coming up right now, I just want to let you know that I recorded with the cell phone at the same time. However, I recorded in a setting where I have two different tracks. So now in post, I can overlay things however I want to. So again, only one recording, but it gave me the two files. It gave me the selfie camera that shows me as well as a front camera showing the part.
Okay, so let me show you a quick setup right here just so you can see how you could use this. This place is gorgeous right here in my city. So again, you can see me here and I'm kind of walking around. And again, some of you guys may not be good with editing and things like that. So this kind of fixes that, right? Because again, not a lot of people know how to overlay footage and things like that. So again, doing something like this, look at that. That's just beautiful, right? So again, just very, very simple to do. So again, just a pretty simple way. I just wanted to show you guys this. I don't know how much I paid for this. I can't remember right now. But again, just a simple way to have the two cameras just working together. And you see it right here.